Nokia X99 Max full review. Nokia X99 Max specs a facer 7.1-inch Super AMOLED display with 4K resolution, a 21:9 aspect ratio, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. The storage of this handset comes in different options: 8GB, 10GB of RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of ROM, expandable to 512GB microSD card. The Nokia X99 Max camera comes with a quad sensor at the back. It consists of a 108MP primary shooter plus 16MP ultra-wide sensor plus 8MP macro snapper plus 2MP depth sensor. Besides, there is a single 32MP lens for capturing selfies and making video calls. At the front facing, regarding the capacity, the Nokia handset rocks a hack 7400 mAh energy box with 66W fast charging support. Under the hood, the Nokia device gets power from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G chipset as the processor. On the other hand, the Nokia handset is going to run on Android 12 as the operating system. Nokia X99 Max release date and price. Nokia X99 Max can hit the market later this year. Moreover, speaking of the cost, the Nokia X99 Max price can be gained $490 Rs 35,829 Indian rupee. Thanks for everyone. Please subscribe my channel.